if you take a look on here, you cannot see the pivotal root of this tree. Can you see? Take a careful.
A deep root, right?
Yeah. The pivotal root is the one that goes straight down there. What you see these major roots here, and lots and lots of this very small root. Imagine this tree in the position. Well, it takes about 3 or 4 meters diameter here, where these roots reach. So what you can see about this organization of the root here? My question is, where are the nutrients for this tree? Is it deep in the soil or is on the surface? So what happens if we take the trees from here? Who have a poor soil. So the idea that we can replace the forest by some crops is completely wrong, because there is no nutrient into the soil. The nutrient here is recycled by these superficial roots here. Well, the second point is, where is warm? Outside here or inside here? Outside the forest or here? So here is colder than outside, right? It's about 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. Why?
Lack of sun. The shadows.
Lack of sun, shadow. What else? Humidity, more or less. But what else? The most important.
The exchange by carbon to oxygen.
What do you call this process? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis absorbs heat from the environment and transform all these nutrients in biomass. What do we have this in the biomass? Carbon. When we have a tree falling down like this one, let's say in a month, 2 months or so, it will be transforming in things like this. See? What does this mean? Carbon being released to the environment. But this carbon will be absorbed by the trees, the nutrients will be absorbed by the trees, and we'll have a new trees growing there. But if you remove the forest, we are not going to have this CO2 being incorporated in the forest again. It will be definitively released to the environment. So if we keep the forest, we'll reduce the amount of carbon dioxide being released to the environment. So the secret here is to keep this tremendous machine that is the forest to sink the CO2 from the environment and not releasing it to the environment.